Clearing the cache in your web browser can be beneficial for several reasons. 1. Performance improvement. Over time, the cache accumulates a lot of temporary files and data from websites you visit. Clearing the cache can help improve the browser's speed and responsiveness by removing unnecessary data. 2. Privacy. Cached files can sometimes include sensitive information like cookies, which can be used to track your online activity. Clearing the cache can help protect your privacy by removing these traces. 3. Display issues. Sometimes, cached files can cause display problems on websites. Clearing the cache can resolve issues like missing images, broken layouts, or outdated content. 4. Security. Outdated cached data can potentially pose a security risk, as it might contain vulnerabilities that could be exploited. Clearing the cache ensures you have the latest, more secure versions of web pages. With that being said, let's take a look at how to do this in the Opera browser on your computer. 1. Open Opera browser. Make sure you have the Opera browser open on your computer. 2. Access settings. Click on the Opera icon, which is usually located in the top left corner of the browser window. It looks like a red O. 3. Go to Settings. 4. Clear browsing data. Under the Privacy and Security section, click on Clear Browsing Data. 5. Choose what to clear. A dialog box will appear with various options for clearing browsing data. You can choose what data you want to clear. Typically, you'll want to clear at least the following. Browsing history. This will clear your history of visited websites. Cookies and other site data. This will remove website cookies and other site-related data. Cached images and files. This is the cache you want to clear. 8. Time range. You can also select a time range for clearing data. If you want to clear all data, choose all time or select a specific time frame. 9. Clear data. Once you've selected the data you want to clear and the time range, click the Clear Data button. Opera will then start clearing the selected data. 10. Confirmation. You will receive a confirmation once the data has been cleared. The time it takes depends on how much data you have selected to clear. 11. Restart Opera. It's a good idea to close and reopen Opera after clearing the cache to ensure that the changes take effect. That's it. Your browser cache in Opera should now be cleared, which can help resolve issues related to cached data and improve your browsing experience. Found value in this video? We would appreciate it if you wouldn't mind giving a like, subscribe for more content just like this, and sharing it with your friends. Have an awesome day.